This morning, mixed signals from three top leaders.
Governor Abbott, Mayor Turner, and Judge Hidalgo all agree on ramping up testing. But when it comes to how the area is doing, they're not really on the same page. Let's get more from our Kathy Hernandez live with us this morning at 5:01. Kathy?
Good morning. I'm sure you're asking yourself, how is Houston doing in the fight against COVID-19? Well, we're hearing a different tune from leaders. They're actually really different in their opinions, and right now they are going to have a press conference together today. Governor Greg Abbott very optimistic during an interview with KPRC2, saying our local response has been effective.
Harris County, like the state of Texas, is doing well, both in the city of Houston and in Harris County. Your numbers are flattening, just like the numbers in the state of Texas.
And that also seemed to be true listening to Houston Mayor Sylvester Turner. He reported only 20 new cases in Houston yesterday and no deaths.
No more people are being discharged from the hospitals than those who are within our hospitals being treated for COVID-19.
However, Harris County Judge Lena Hidalgo seemed to sing another tune, announcing 146 new cases outside the city of Houston with one death. She says the county is using data from hospitals to make decisions.
Those admissions started rising, and then they began to reach some sort of a flattening. And then, unfortunately, over the past couple of days, we've begun to see a bit of an uptick.
And everyone does agree there needs to be more work being done and more testing. That press conference with Mayor Turner and Judge Hidalgo is set for 3 o'clock this afternoon. Hopefully then we'll be able to get a better idea of what is happening here in the Houston area. Reporting live near downtown Houston, Kathy Hernandez, KPRC, Channel 2 News.
And we should also thank you, Kathy. Keep in mind that the data comes in different bits and pieces. So who knows? Maybe we will all get on the same page here pretty soon. 5:03. President Trump's expected to sign an executive order today temporarily banning immigration into the United States because of COVID-19.
Yeah, right now there aren't many details about that order except that the ban will be in place for 60 days and it'll apply to people seeking green cards. During yesterday's coronavirus task force briefing, President Trump said the plan was still being written by White House lawyers and the goal is to protect American workers.
By pausing immigration, we'll help put unemployed Americans first in line for jobs as America reopens. So important.
The president also said the order would not affect temporary visitors, and he said farm workers would be exempt. Let's take a look at the latest case numbers in the Houston area. Right now, there are more than 7,800 confirmed cases of coronavirus here. There have been 157 deaths in the Houston area. Also, more than 2,000 people in our area have recovered from coronavirus. That is more than a quarter of all cases in our area.
So the Archdiocese of Galveston-Houston says 4 Catholic schools will be closing their doors for good after the end of this academic year. Those schools are Our Lady of Mount Carmel, Queen of Peace, and St. Francis of Assisi Catholic Schools in Houston, and St. Pius V Catholic School in Pasadena. The superintendent of Catholic schools, Deborah Haney, explained to us one of the reasons why those schools were selected to close.
They have had declining enrollment and obviously much lower numbers than what is needed to sustain a school. So all of them had less than 100 students on their school campus. And so combined between the 4, there were 257 students.
Well, a man from Humble says his health and his budget are at serious risk because of the coronavirus. See, his surgery was delayed because of the pandemic, and now he tells us his insurance company wants him to pay thousands more. Derik Curie says he was planning to have gastric sleeve surgery on March 27th. Obviously, he was told that procedure would not happen because of the virus.